Surah, number 45, of Quran Majeed. The Growling.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Hamim.
Hamim.
تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم.
The gradual sending down of the book is from Allah, the Almighty, All-Wise.
إن في السماوات والأرض لآيات للمؤمنين.
In the heavens and the earth there are indeed signs for the faithful.
وفي خلقكم وما يبث من دابة آيات لقوم يوقنون.
There are signs for people who have certainty in your own creation and in animals. He scatters abroad.
واختلاف الليل والنهار وما أنزل الله من السماء من رزق فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وتصريف الرياح آيات لقوم يعقلون.
There are signs for people who exercise their reason in the alternation of night and day, in the provision that Allah sends down from the sky, with which He revives the earth after its death, and in the changing of the winds.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق فبأي حديث بعد الله وآياته يؤمنون.
These are the signs of Allah that we recite for you in truth. So what discourse will they believe after Allah and His signs?
ويل لكل أفاك أثيم.
Woe to every sinful liar.
يسمع آيات الله تتلى عليه ثم يصر مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها فبشره بعذاب أليم.
Who hears the signs of Allah being recited to him, yet persists arrogantly as if he had not heard them. So inform him of a painful punishment.
وَإِذَا عَلِمَ مِنْ آيَاتِنَا شَيْئًا اتَّخَذَهَا هُزُوًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ.
Should he learn anything about our signs, he takes them in derision. For such there is a humiliating punishment.
مِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ جَهَنَّمُ ولا يغني عنهم ما كسبوا شيئا ولا ما اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Ahead of them is hell, and neither what they have earned, nor what they had taken as guardians besides Allah will avail them in any way. And there is a great punishment for them.
هذا هدى والذين كفروا بآيات ربهم لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
This is true guidance, and there is a painful punishment due to defilement for those who defy the signs of their Lord.
الله الذي سخر لكم البحر لتجري الفلك فيه بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
It is Allah who disposed the sea for your benefit, so that the ships may sail in it by His command, that you may seek of His bounty and that you may give thanks.
وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
He has disposed for your benefit whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, all is from him. There are indeed signs in that for a people who reflect.
قل للذين آمنوا يغفروا للذين لا يرجون أيام الله ليجزي قوما بما كانوا يكسبون.
Say to the faithful to forgive those who do not expect Allah's days, that he may, himself, requite every people for what they used to earn.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Whoever acts righteously, it is for his own soul, and whoever does evil, it is to its own detriment, then you will be brought back to your Lord.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحُكْمَ وَالنُّبُوَّةَ ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على العالمين.
Certainly we gave the children of Israel the book, judgment and prophethood, and we provided them with all the good things. We gave them an advantage over all the nations.
وآتيناهم بينات من الأمر فما اختلفوا إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
And we gave them manifest precepts. But they did not differ except after knowledge had come to them, out of envy among themselves. Indeed your Lord will judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning that about which they used to differ.
ثم جعلناك على شريعة من الأمر فاتبعها ولا تتبع أهواء الذين لا يعلمون.
Then we set you upon a clear course of the law, so follow it, and do not follow the desires of those who do not know.
إنهم لن يغنوا عنك من الله شيئا وإن الظالمين بعضهم أولياء بعض والله ولي المتقين.
Indeed they will not avail you in any way against Allah. Indeed the wrongdoers are allies of one another, but Allah is the ally of the God-weary.
هذا بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لقوم يوقنون.
These are eye-openers for mankind, and guidance and mercy for a people who have certainty.
أم حسب الذين اجترحوا السيئات أن نجعلهم كالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سواء محياهم ومماتهم ساء ما يحكمون.
Do those who have perpetrated misdeeds suppose that we shall treat them like those who have faith and do righteous deeds, their life and death being equal? Evil is the judgment that they make.
وخلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق ولتجزى كل نفس بما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
Allah created the heavens and the earth with consummate wisdom, so that every soul may be requited for what it has earned, and they will not be wronged.
أفرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه وأضله الله على علم وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون.
Have you seen him who has taken his desire to be his God and whom Allah has led astray knowingly, set a seal upon his hearing and heart, and put a blindfold on his sight? So who will guide him after Allah has consigned him to error? Will you not then take admonition?
وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر وما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يظنون.
They say, there is nothing but the life of this world, we live and we die, and nothing but time destroys us. But they do not have any knowledge of that, and they only make conjectures.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ ما كان حجتهم إلا أن قالوا ائتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
When our manifest signs are recited to them, their only argument is to say, bring our fathers back to life, if you are truthful.
قُلِ اللَّهُ يُحْيِيكُمْ ثُمَّ يُمِيتُكُمْ ثُمَّ يَجْمَعُكُمْ إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Say, it is Allah who gives you life, then He makes you die. Then He will gather you on the day of resurrection, in which there is no doubt. But most people do not know.
وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَيَوْمَ تَقُومُ السَّاعَةُ يَوْمَئِذٍ يَخْسَرُ الْمُبْطِلُونَ.
To Allah belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and when the hour sets in, the falsifiers will be losers on that day.
وَتَرَى كُلَّ أُمَّةٍ جَاثِيَةً كُلُّ أُمَّةٍ تُدْعَى إِلَى كِتَابِهَا الْيَوْمَ تُجْزَوْنَ مَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
And you will see every nation fallen on its knees. Every nation will be summoned to its book. Today you will be requited for what you used to do.
هذا كتابنا ينطق عليكم بالحق إنا كنا نستنسخ ما كنتم تعملون.
This is our book, which speaks truly against you. Indeed we used to record what you used to do.
فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ فَيُدْخِلُهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ فِي رَحْمَتِهِ ذَلِكَ هُوَ الْفَوْزُ الْمُبِينُ.
As for those who have faith and do righteous deeds, their Lord will admit them into His mercy. That is the manifest success.
وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَفَلَمْ تَكُنْ آيَاتِي تُتْلَى عَلَيْكُمْ فَاسْتَكْبَرْتُمْ وَكُنْتُمْ قَوْمًا مُجْرِمِينَ.
But as for the faithless, they will be asked, were not my signs recited to you? But you were disdainful, and you were a guilty lot.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ إِنَّ وعد الله حق والساعة لا ريب فيها قلتم ما ندري ما الساعة إن نظن إلا ظنا وما نحن بمستيقنين.
When it was said, Allah's promise is indeed true, and there is no doubt about the hour, you said, we do not know what the hour is. We know nothing beyond conjectures, and we do not possess any certainty.
وَبَدَا لَهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا عَمِلُوا وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
The evils of what they had done will appear to them, and they will be besieged by what they used to deride.
وَقِيلَ الْيَوْمَ نَنسَاكُمْ كَمَا نَسِيتُمْ لِقَاءَ يَوْمِكُمْ هَذَا وَمَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارُ وَمَا لَكُمْ مِنْ نَاصِرِينَ.
And it will be said, today we will forget you, just as you forgot the encounter of this day of yours. The fire will be your abode, and you will not have any helpers.
ذَلِكُمْ بِأَنَّكُمُ اتَّخَذْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ هُزُوًا وَغَرَّتْكُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُخْرَجُونَ مِنْهَا وَلَا هُمْ يُسْتَعْتَبُونَ.
That is because you took the signs of Allah in derision, and the life of the world had deceived you. So today, they will not be brought out of it, nor will they be asked to propitiate Allah.
فَلِلَّهِ الْحَمْدُ رَبِّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَرَبِّ الْأَرْضِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.
So all praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of the heavens and the Lord of the earth, the Lord of all the worlds.
وَلَهُ الْكِبْرِيَاءُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
To him belongs all supremacy in the heavens and the earth, and he is the Almighty, the All-Wise.